How to Build a Better Brother, written by Michel Deverall and illustrated by Ryan. I'm building a robot to replace my brother. My real one is boring. I'd rather another. I check in the shed for some junk I can use, like pieces of tin and a box full of screws. I remove some parts from Dad's computer, then borrow the wheels from his new scooter. I grab a small spanner and tighten his screws. Then finally my robot is ready to use. His lights start to flash, first yellow then red. Before I can stop him, he bolts from the shed. Dad's up the ladder hanging some lights, who, I might add, is frightened of heights. My robot sees him, he's there in a flash. I try to warn Dad when suddenly, crash! Surprise! I shout, meet my new brother. He's heaps of fun, not like my other. We start by playing my favourite games. I like more action, my robot complains. What about baseball? I quickly suggest. Baseball is boring, he says, unimpressed. Wanna play soccer? I say with a smile. Turns out soccer's not really his style. The park's not his thing, all the swings and slide, or finding a tricky place it can hide. I race to the shed and reel out some bikes. Surely a bike ride is something he likes. He straps on a helmet protecting his head and demands that we go skydiving instead. He's clearly not joking. He must be insane. Before I can stop him, I'm hurled from the plane. Next up is skiing on treacherous slopes, swimming with sharks, and dangling from ropes. I need to lie down. It's been a big day. My robot, however, still wants to play. He spots Dad's new sports car. It's parked outside, and now he's insisting we go for a ride. He throws us all on the back of the seat and skids out the driveway then onto the street. Look, no hands! My robot squeals, rounding the bend on only 2 wheels. Mum's freaking out. She overreacts. She really means to try to relax. Dad's busy screaming. It's probably stress. It's all my fault. I created this mess. I wish I'd never built a new brother. What was I thinking? I'd rather my other. I'll teach him to fish and fly a big kite and camp outside in a tent overnight. We'll go exploring or maybe a hike. I'll even teach him to ride his new bike. Trust me, things will be different. Just wait and see. I'll show him how special big brothers can be. I drag my robot back out to the shed and build myself a new teacher instead.